Hi, my name is Kevin O'Boyle. I'm a sales consultant at Fletcher Jones Imports, and this is the brand new 2019 Mercedes-Benz A220. Mercedes-Benz brand new entry-level vehicle. It does offer a ton of standard equipment that you may love, such as standard head and tail lamp LEDs, a panoramic sunroof, and an interior to die for that's on the inside. Let me show you more. So one of my favorite features about the A220 is the Hey Mercedes option. It is a hands-free operation that you can speak to the vehicle to tell you things like turning up or down the temperature in the vehicle, putting on your heated seats, opening up your sunroof, closing your sunroof, using your navigation to guide you places, changing your radio station even. So it's a very nice feature that the car comes equipped with, and it's standard. It's nothing extra that you have to pay. So it's like a free personal assistant like you would have in Android or an iPhone or any smartphone that has that capability. It's a beautiful feature to have because it's so easy to use. For example, we live in Las Vegas and the temperatures get extremely hot. So you can say things like, Mercedes,
how can I help you?
Set vehicle temperature to 67 degrees.
I'm setting the temperature to 67 degrees.
But right now it's springtime in Las Vegas and the weather is perfect. So I can say something like this. Hey Mercedes, open my sunroof.
I'm opening the roller sun blind on the sliding sunroof.
When I'm in the car and I'm not liking what's on the radio, I can always change what's on here by talking to the car. Hey Mercedes,
how can I help you?
let's listen to the heat. If you're ever driving and you need to get to somewhere using your navigation, again, it's hands-free. Mercedes-Benz is all about the safety of your vehicle. So you can ask your vehicle, hey Mercedes,
how can I help you?
navigate me to 7300 West Sahara.
Please select an entry. The route is being calculated.
That about wraps up the tutorial on how to use the Hey Mercedes feature in the vehicle. Again, it is a powerful tool to help you, to keep you safe while you're driving on the road with the hands-free capability that the vehicle offers. So, if you'd love to take it out for a spin, take it for a test drive, come see me. My name is Kevin O'Boyle at Fletcher Jones Imports, 7300 West Sahara Avenue, Las Vegas, Nevada. See you next time.